This is part 1, and I want to start by speaking straight to your heart, because many people quietly notice their strength slipping away and wonder if that is just what aging means. And I want you to know right now that losing muscle is not a personal failure, and it is not something you are powerless against, because your body still knows how to rebuild when you give it the right support. If you have ever struggled to open a jar, felt unsteady climbing stairs, or noticed your legs tiring faster than they used to, you are not alone, and this gradual muscle loss has a name called sarcopenia, which simply means age-related muscle decline, and the beautiful truth is that food can play a powerful role in slowing it down and even reversing parts of it. Think of muscle like a savings account for strength, balance, and independence, and after the age of 60 the body becomes a little less efficient at making deposits unless we choose foods that send a clear signal to rebuild. One of the strongest signals comes from protein, especially from foods that are easy to chew, digest, and enjoy at home. Eggs are a wonderful example, soft, affordable, and rich in amino acids that muscles use as building blocks. And research shows that the amino acid leucine is especially important for older adults because it helps switch on muscle repair. Dairy foods like Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, and milk also provide high-quality protein along with calcium and vitamin D, which support both muscles and bones working together. If dairy does not agree with you, foods like lentils, beans, tofu, and chickpeas can still nourish muscle when eaten regularly and combined with a variety of plant foods. Fish such as salmon, sardines, and trout offer not only protein but also healthy fats called omega-3 fatty acids, which studies suggest may help muscles respond better to protein as we age. Imagine your muscles becoming more willing to listen when you feed them the right foods. Even something as simple as adding olive oil to vegetables can help because healthy fats reduce low-grade inflammation that quietly interferes with muscle repair. Fruits and vegetables matter too, not because they build muscle directly, but because they protect it, and colorful foods like berries, spinach, and sweet peppers provide antioxidants that help muscle cells recover from daily wear. Staying hydrated is another gentle but often forgotten piece, since even mild dehydration can make muscles feel weaker and more tired. When meals are spaced evenly through the day, rather than one large meal, the body has more chances to repair muscle, and this is especially helpful for seniors whose appetite may be smaller. As we move forward, I want you to keep in mind that building muscle is not about extreme diets or exhausting routines, but about steady, kind nourishment, and in the next part we will continue with more comforting foods, simple home remedies, and practical tips that help your muscles stay strong so you can keep doing the things you love, and this is where it all comes together. And now part 2 continues seamlessly, because once you understand that muscle can still respond after 60, confidence begins to replace worry, and confidence itself supports healing. Let us talk about foods that quietly work in the background, like nuts and seeds, which provide magnesium and healthy fats that help muscles relax and contract properly, making everyday movement feel smoother. A small handful of almonds or walnuts, or a spoonful of ground flax or chia mixed into yogurt or oatmeal, can support muscle health without heavy effort. Bone broth is another comforting home remedy, especially when appetite is low, because it provides amino acids like glycine and proline that support connective tissue around muscles, helping joints feel more comfortable during movement. Spices deserve attention too, since turmeric and ginger have been studied for their ability to reduce inflammation, which can ease muscle soreness and improve recovery when used regularly in cooking. Vitamin D is especially important for seniors because it helps muscles communicate with nerves, and foods like fortified milk, eggs, and fatty fish can help maintain healthy levels alongside safe sunlight exposure when possible. It is also important to remember that muscles grow best when food is paired with gentle movement, such as walking, light resistance exercises, or simple chair movements, because food provides the bricks and movement tells the body where to build. Rest and sleep matter just as much, since muscles repair themselves during rest, and a warm evening meal with protein can quietly support this overnight process. Science continues to show that it is never too late to respond, and studies of older adults show meaningful improvements in strength when protein-rich foods and regular movement are combined, even later in life. This means that every nourishing meal is a vote for your future independence, balance, and confidence. I want you to remember that taking care of your body at home does not require perfection, only consistency and kindness toward yourself. Each egg, each bowl of yogurt, each serving of beans or fish is a gentle message to your body that it is still valued and worth supporting. Aging does not mean giving up strength, it means learning a new, wiser way to protect it. You deserve to feel steady on your feet, confident in your movements, and proud of what your body can still do. And with simple foods, thoughtful habits, and patience, you can continue building strength from the inside out, one nourishing choice at a time.